see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, but now we're wrong. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Go away, Stephen. Do you want to build a snowman? Or ride our bikes around the hall? I think some company is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the wall. Hang in there, Joe. It gets a little lonely, all these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. This is the unfortunate part. Elsa, please. I know you're in there. People have been asking where you've been. They say have courage, and I'm trying to. I'm right here for you. Just let me in. We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you wanna build a snowman? I do.
So do I.
Oh, that's it. Thank you, NYNJ. Thank you.
Let it go. Let it go. I'm another word I shout it. Let it go. Let it go. I don't know the fucking words.
New Jersey John's going to entertain you for just a brief moment of time, and we love you guys for coming.
Yes, thank you. And a big round of applause to Stephen and Drew and all of the Nocking Point. I just need a change of underpants now, please. Thank you. You know, I thought the best thing to do, what's kind of fun because we missed the whole kind of con experience today, is the fact that if, do we have a microphone that we can hand out to them to ask some questions? But I thought, before that, why don't we do this? I need someone. Kelsey, where are you? Right here. Where is she? Oh no, this is the, Kelsey, can you look up?
Do you have a side stage you can stand on?
Yes. Okay,
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go run back.
to do some questions, a Q&A, would you like that? Is that all right? So, if I give the microphone
To me! Give it to me!
Oh my God! Don't leave it
either
there.
Robbie,
Here's one. Yeah.
you're going to hand the microphone to people.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, so raise your hand. Robbie's going to just a little bit of Q&A, and then
I accept bribes of all kinds.
And then I might sing a couple of numbers. And Stephen will strip. Sorry, he doesn't have on the right underpants. He's not going to do it.
It's okay. It's okay.
You're not wearing underpants. Love you. That's my ammo boy. I mean, ammo nitrate. I mean, whatever. Anyway, so where's Robbie? Who's got the first question? Robbie, raise your hand. Somebody who wants a question?
Question.
Anybody? You can ask anything. There's no whole question. And if I don't want to answer it, I will get around
We
it
got a
somehow.
question.
Question right here. Young lady with the large
What's your name,
breasts.
Ray?
Like asking, no, it's a big can of beer. I'd like
Maddie, you're seriously you're from Texas? Or is that a fake accent? You're from Texas. Well, the stars at night are big and bright. You're not from Texas, but Yes?
He said anything. I just want a hug. Can I have a hug?
Yeah, but see, if I hug you now, girl, I gotta hug everybody. A question, not a statement. Go back to the Texas. Ready, next? Yes!
This is my closest other.
Later. Hi!
From Brooklyn.
Hi, Alyssa from Brooklyn. No, you gotta say from Brooklyn.
I only just moved there.
Okay,
It's gonna take me some time to build up an accent.
great. So, question.
Are you excited like I am? And I can ask you this because I know you'll tell me an answer. Are you excited about Stephen Amell stepping down from Nocking Point Party?
Shit just got real.
Shit just got so real right now, Stephen. I mean,
Hi, I'm John Barrowman. Ask me anything.
hey, good luck to Stephen and Chris Chibnall. Apparently he's coming back in, which is really ironic because before Christmas I wrote to Chris Chibnall. I said, I'd love you to be a show worker on this new script that I've written that might be picked up. And he didn't reply. Now we know why. But yeah, Chris Chibnall. I love Chris. Chris wrote a lot for Captain Jack, so I have to say, I am an arrow man at the moment. And, you know, whatever, I'm hopefully there to stay.
Woo! Get your boat!
Yes.
I'm Casey. I'm originally from Philadelphia.
Hi, Casey. Is this like the dating game? Yay! Yeah. Hey, who's single in the audience? We're gonna do a dating game. We're gonna hook two people up, and if you have sex, I want you to post it. Where's my flight, Steve? Why are you my flight tonight? Are you drinking a can of water?
This was a gift, John.
But what is it in German?
Yes, German beer.
Yes. Where's my German sign? Ich bin
This was in a cup shaped like a boot.
Yes, mine was in a cup shaped like a... Anyway, never mind. Okay, anyway, question.
Okay, someone already wrote the album Who Likes. So, what are the odds Malcolm will reincarnate to Captain Jack?
But that won't happen because you gotta realize it's two different fan worlds and two different people. You know, it's Captain Jack's one thing, Malcolm Merlin's an asshole.
55%.
Can I just say that I love the fact that when the trailer was shown for what's going to happen in the second half of the season, that whole line, which we had a discussion about because it originally was not, you know, you're very good looking. It actually said you're pretty, and it's like Malcolm would not say that to Oliver.
I think the writers.
John would.
I think the writers forgot that you were gay.
So we just changed it on the night, saying you're good look, but it actually
Very
here
handsome.
it was you're very handsome.
John, you got a present, by the way.
That's mine anyway. So the question, it was not something spontaneous. That was actually written by the writers, and because I asked them, I said, can you please throw some humor into it for Malcolm? And they did it towards Ollie, but Stephen's face was the peach when I said it.
One of the reasons that my face reacted like that.
My cat's bigger than yours.
Always has been. I can't fight Mother Nature, John. One of the reasons that my face was like that was because John and I had filmed a much more important scene, a much more critical scene, an awesome scene, and we had filmed it for the previous 10 hours, and we were on a rooftop at 4 o'clock in the morning, freezing in the rain. So when John said, Oliver, you're very handsome, not especially bright, and I went, that was half character and half, can we be done? Can we be done? Can we go home?
And literally, after that take, I think that they used, they went, cut, good night, everybody! Yes, next. Question.
Hi, John. This is
Hello.
Rachel from Germany. Who gave you actually the
I know
big
you
shot.
gave me the big can and then the smaller, longer, thinner one.
Yeah. I have actually a question for Steve and for you. Brief or boxes?
I wear Lululemon boxer briefs. I do.
At the moment, I wear Banana Republic tidy whities because everything else is in Vancouver. Lululemon?
Yeah. They make the best underwear, John.
What are the socks that you always talk about?
Stance.
Okay, next question.
Stephen claims they're the best. Lululemon. I'm going to try out Lululemon. You wear boxer briefs though, because
Yeah, boxer briefs.
It's very funny. I went to talk to Stephen the other day. Sometimes I'll knock him, and I went to talk to him in the trailer, his trailer, and because he's trailer trash. And I went to talk to him, and I'm coming in, I'm sitting down, and we're gonna have a conversation. He says, "Just let me put some pants on," because he's in his boxer briefs. And in my head, if my inner voice could speak, in my head I went, "No, you're okay." Are you drinking out of my cane? First time. Yes, Robbie, next.
Hey, I have a comment and...
A comment? Well, make the comment quick because they're usually something that's irrelevant.
It is very relevant to me.
Good.
You groped me earlier today.
I groped you. Come here.
Thank you very much.
Come here. What's your name?
Seth.
Seth, come on up, Seth. Let everybody see where I groped. Did I grope you from behind or from the front? Really? Like this?
Exactly like that.
You're welcome. Did you enjoy it or no?
I'm doing it right now.
Good. There is not my hand. There's something else touching you there. I love that you love it.
I do love it.
So what's your question?
Actually, we have a gift for Stephen as well.
Well, give that gift to Stephen. Thank you. All right.
This is a good gift from
How much do I chug this?
Chug,
Oh, no.
chug,
If I
chug,
this,
chug,
I'll
chug, chug, chug.
Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute.
Nice pour, Steve.
Nice pour.
Hey, Rob, why don't you buy some...
Come up here and I'll chug it. Hey, listen, I'm the oldest. I am the oldest in the company. I'm meant to be the voice of reason.
Chug, 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 chug.
I'm not chugging this shit in front of him because he'd be like, "You should see Barrowman. He was so messed up. He was thrown up on the stage."
John, how's Steven's head? Okay, next question.
Hi, Stephen.
Hi.
You're awesome.
Thank you.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
I'm from New Jersey. I gotta ask. What's in the box?
Mills! Throw your gun down! Hey, sorry, keep going. Do you have a
Move to
question?
the next question. Okay.
Rob, you're the worst.
Next question.
I have a question for Stephen.
Yeah.
What was it like working with Slade Wilson?
Manu.
What's that?
Manu?
Yeah.
Manu's,
Was he really rough? Did he beat the crap out of you?
Manu has we had a saying on the set, and that saying was between me and the stunt coordinator, and he would look at me and he would go, leverage. Because in one scene, Nanu, when we got good news on the island, grabbed my arms like this and went, leverage! But he really grabbed them hard. He really did. Manu is a character, and Manu played a great character, and I really honestly think that Arrow has been missing something since he hasn't been around. I really do. He was a transformative villain, and I really wanted if Deathstroke could keep being a part of the Arrow universe.
I think Roland should go back in a flashback and meet Deathstroke and team up. All three of them together and go, "Hey, Ollie, I brought two friends with me to the party."
Spoiler, episode 19.
Next question.
Hi, Joe. I'm from Aberdeen.
Oh, go in your cell, Lassie. Get out of here. Sorry. Because I punch you in the face. Where are you?
Over here.
Brilliant. Aberdeen, yes. Get your tits out. I know Aberdonian girls. What's your question?
It's not an hour-related question, it's just, when it comes to the States, I've recently moved to the States, and we want to know what we're going to do your amazing voice singing in the States.
I don't know, but if you're lucky, you might hear a few sentences. Just watch social media, honestly, because I'll be doing hopefully some gigs here there.
Oh wait, I didn't know that John had a Scottish accent until episode 16 of season 1. And he took a call in between scenes, and he started, and all of a sudden it sounded like a callback to Train Spotting. What is going on? Well, it's John talking with a Scottish accent, and how to turn on so fast. I don't understand what's going on.
You're in the Twilight Zone.
Apparently.
The Scottish Twilight Zone, which is called the Twilight Zone. Yes, last question.
Two more.
Where are we? Yes, hi.
Hi. What was the funniest interaction you two have had on set with each other?
You know what? If people have heard the story of the original interaction, so I'm going to tell the funniest interaction from this year. It was in the crossover episode where John had to basically say, Oliver, if you hurt my daughter, I will come for you. And you wish that you were dealing with Damien Dark.
But I decided to put a period after it. Went, Oliver, if you hurt my daughter, I will come for you.
And so both of us in the scene were like NFL players preparing to go out for like the most important play of the game, because we both knew, based on rehearsals, that there was basically no way that we were going to film the scene with both of us in the same spot. So I was like, all right, okay. I will come for you. And John was the same, and I will have to say, we did it.
But we always look at each other, and if that happens, I'll say, look at me. Are we good? Yeah, we're good. And then he walks away and he goes, we're not good.
I will say, look, before we get to our last question, I am extremely blessed to work with someone that I consider to be one of my very good friends, and honestly, one of the very best people that I know in my life. I love you, John.
He wants to blow job later in his job. We're not kissing. I know his wife. We're not kissing. She'll be okay with the blowjob, not the kiss.
I'll call her and see what she thinks. Last question, Robbie.
Last question, Robbie. Then you're in my room.
Hi, my name's Christina.
Hi, Christina.
I live in New Jersey now. Thanks for coming out here.
You're welcome.
Okay, who would win out? Malcolm Merlin or Oliver Queen? And secondly, what's your favorite part about working on the hour? Both.
John, what is your favorite part of working on Arrow?
My favorite part of working on Arrow is the fact that, well, number one, I love comic books and I love sci-fi, okay? So having been asked at the very beginning, when I knew this, they called me up and they said, we got this new guy, Stephen Amell, we want you to play Malcolm Merlin, you're coming later in the series, would you look at the trailer we've done? And I looked at it and I went, Scott, honey, look at this, they want me to work with this. And he went, if you don't take this job, you're stupid. That was the first thing, right? But what has been great for me, what I love about this job, is I'm a fan, like you. So, from Doctor Who to Torchwood to Arrow, I'm living the dream of a young kid who grew up watching sci-fi and comic books and reading them. and now I'm part of that world. And also the fact, and you know, although Stephen just kind of did a lovely praise to me, what's been great for me is to watch Stephen as a leading man, starting out not knowing very much, and then growing throughout the seasons and becoming the leading man that we all turn to and we all look up to. And that also, the cast is awesome, the crew is awesome, the writing is awesome. It is a fun show to be on, and it's one of the shows that I can truly say, like the others that you know I'm talking about, this is one, the character that has changed my life, and I absolutely am thrilled and love it. So that's the best thing. Who would win between Ollie and Malcolm? If I'm talking as Malcolm right now, Malcolm would allow Oliver to kick the shit out of him and beat him up to let him think he'd win, because, hey, you asked me the question, because then he still has leverage to manipulate the situation as to how he wants. Okay?
My favorite part about working on Arrow right now is that this year we have had people, I think of our buddy Seamus, who's been head of the lighting department,
Had their first chance.
and Seamus got a chance this year to be the director of photography. I think of Gord, our buddy, who was director of photography on episode 3, who this year had the chance to direct an episode, 413, which is a very, very big Oliver Malcolm episode. Think of our buddy James Bamford.
Yeah.
Who directed 407 and 414. Just send me the director's cut of 414. I'm gonna watch it tonight.
That was the one you sent me.
No, that was cool. I think about all of the crew members that started with us, and because Arrow has been successful and has helped spawn Flash and has helped spawn Legends of Tomorrow, that a lot of people that work on our crew have had the opportunity to go to those other shows and move up in their career. And to a further extent, when people leave our show, people that stay with our show get to move up as well. I really, really, really love people that stay with our show and have a good opportunity becoming more prosperous. As an example, as we move into next season, we haven't been picked up, but I have to say something really stupid for us to not get picked up.
Oh, hello. Hello.
No, we're fine. No, we're good.
But you all can tweet if you want us picked up.
In the next year, we're going to have people that have been on our crew since day one, direct episodes, that have never directed episodes before. It's amazing. So that's my most enjoyable part about working on Arrow, is the people that I've worked with since February of 2012 are now really getting to realize the next steps in their career. That's my thing. What was the other question?
About
oh,
Malcolm.
we were in a fight? We've had one fight in
No spoilers.
episode 123. We had one fight.
Where you
I'm dead. I disappear. I come back. We have another fight coming out.
This is what it's like though. When we do the fight, in the fight that he's alluding to, I'm quite chuffed, as I know you've done it more than I have. But this fight, we did a lot of the close-up stuff by ourselves.
Yep.
So our stunt guys did the wide shot, but we did the close-up, and that's all I'll say. I'm not saying anymore. Don't look at me like that. Don't give me that Stephen pouty face. I only fall for that on set, not here. Don't give it to me.
I'm trying to think of like one-word answers to the end of episodes.
Yeah, but you can't stop dropping the glasses. You okay? Are we alright? Okay, do we have somebody, a medic or something? Great, right here. I think someone just might have had a little sugar lapse, passed out. Just give them some air, let them get her to a place where they can give her some sugar or something. She's okay. It's not bad. Great. 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 Okay, we're cool. We have that effect on you. She's alright, just let them get her at the mover.
We have a silent auction going on, being run by our new friend, our very handsome, our very tall, recently retired ex-Marine, Adam. Okay. So back there, all proceeds go to NP Gives. Okay. We are building up a war chest for Walla Walla, and we are going to deploy it. It's going to be awesome. What do you need? Oh my God. It's going to fall out, wasn't it? Also, Kevin's the best. Is that true?
Jenny, it's over there. The far corner.
You know, she's good. She's good. It's just, don't look at me like that. You look at me like that and I go wibbly wobbly, all timey-wimey. She's fine. It's she's a little too much to drink. These things happen. These things happen. But just do me a favor, once they take her to get better, just make sure nobody stands in that circle until they clean up the glass. That would be good. We don't want anybody hurting their manolas.